Udaipur is a city in India. So welcome to my vlog on Udaipur. This is the map showing where the location is in India. It is in Rajasthan and it is the capital city of Mewar Kingdom, and it is surrounded by lakes, and there are many lakes you can see. There are many lavish royal residencies there and lot of lakes and founded by Maharana Uday Singh. And there you go and enjoy my vlog. Thank you. Hello, welcome to the vlog. I hope you're doing absolutely fine, and here I am on the airport. We're heading towards Udaipur. Here's my travel buddy, my dad, and we're going for a marriage, and then I will be roaming around on 18th. So let me introduce you to the start of journey. So you can see all shops here. We're going to gate number 33. From there we will be boarding the flight, and then let's go. I've boarded the flight, and so you can see the view here. Now it takes off. I've landed, and here I'm at the Udaipur airport. We're going. Hello, so this is the roaming day. It's the 18th, and I've come to the hilltop for stay. While we'll roam, we'll stay here, and tomorrow is our back flight to Delhi, and I can show you the view. Here you can see the view of the reception of hilltop. And here is the outside view. The water, the hills, the trees, the houses, the pool here is there. Okay, so we'll be boarding to the rain soon. See how beautiful the view is. So this is the hilltop view, and then I'll go to the Fateh Sagar Lake, do boating, and then I'll be taking the pictures. So let's go. Okay, so fine. Fateh Sagar Lake for boating. I'm just boating the boat. Going on Fateh Sagar Lake, and the boat is going at a very fast speed, quite fast. And here you can see how the water is splashing, and just the boat is turning, and this side is basically about to reach like 3 minutes drive. So I can't record all the 3 minutes, but yeah, you can see. The Oud from Nehru Garden. Hi, so this is the city palace of Udaipur. Let me show you the view. This is the gate of city palace, and you can see the whole view. Come, let's go. I'm going inside. There are temples running here because it's on the top of the hill. We also came from a temple. It's the information center. See these arts of city palace, these gates. and let's see the Museum of City Palace.
यहाँ से 20 किलोमीटर दूर 1300 साल पुराना मंदिर है शिव जी का, जो इस वंश
Shri
में
was founder of City Palace. Painting Gopal Rabai riding his chariot. Architecture over here. See the statue here. You can donate money also over here. Mind your head and see. The Lake Palace is also situated here. Let me show you the view. Evening at Udaipur. Let me show you the sunset, and we are going to the Nehru Garden. So let's see. Pahad, coconut tree, sunset. Okay, it's already sunset, so this is the moon. See how beautiful the lights are. The feel of the place is over here. of the lakeside.
The night view and the lights. You can see the water, the lights.